Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video guys, actually today we are going to purchase an iPhone 17 in offline store. Actually here you can see, here's the store name is iPlanet. Actually it is located in Chennai, not only in Chennai, in all cities it is located. Actually today we are going to purchase iPhone 17 in this store only guys, by doing a exchange of iPhone 13 actually. And guys, before doing this iPhone 17 unboxing and all, we will just go a walk around in this store. Actually here you can see, here's the Apple TV. Okay, is here. And actually guys, a lot of Apple products were there guys. Here you can see from 16 to 17 Pro Max is here for showcasing actually. And here you can see, here's the iPhone actually. Actually this is a 15 model, iPhone 15. And here's the AirPods. And here you can see varieties of iPhones were there. And not only this guys, in the store there's a lot of different type of models of iPad is here. You can see it's just a walk around only. Like Air and Pro models were there actually in this store. And not only that guys, Mac Mini M4 is also there. Here you can see, here's the Mac actually, and here's the Mac Mini M4. Actually I need to purchase because I need to save money to purchase this actually. Okay. And guys, here you can see, here's the iPhone 17 Pro. It's good, it looks actually. And in this nearby there is iPhone 17 Pro Max is also there. I will show you that. And not only this guys, and here you can see, here's the iPhone Air actually. And next smartphone is, yeah, here's the iPhone Air actually. Here you can see, it looks very slim guys actually, this iPhone Air is. And not only that, here you can see, here's the price of that iPhone Air. And here's the iPhone 17 Pro, and this phone is above 1 lakh in Indian rupee actually. Let's check out the camera. You can see the camera looks good guys actually. It's awesome actually, camera is also. And here you can see, here's the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Actually it costs around 1 lakh. Oops, just we need to place this properly. Okay, 1,43,000. Here you can see this cosmic orange. Actually this color is most demanded in this current market actually in iPhone, because a lot of people were asking this color only in this store, but it is not in stock. Okay, anyway, just here you can see is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This camera is very superb guys actually. Here you can see how clear it is. It's good. And okay guys, let's come on, it's now time to do unboxing of iPhone 17. And actually guys, finally we have purchased this iPhone 17 at rupees cost of 83,000 nearly, by exchanging the old iPhone 13. And that iPhone 13 which they have taken at rupees cost of 19,000, which we have sold that iPhone 13 actually. And this iPhone 17, let's come on, just we need to unbox it. Actually guys, so there's a 256 GB internal storage, and it is powered by a 19 chip Apples, and it has a 48 MP camera plus 48 MP rear camera, 18 MP front camera guys, and this 6.3-inch OLED display in this iPhone 17. Okay, let's come on, it's now time to take this out. And here you can see guys, there's a mist blue color actually. I think there's a 3 colors is there in this iPhone actually. Just I'm doing this unboxing in store itself guys. And here you can see, because we need to transfer the data from old iPhone to this iPhone, because we are exchanging that old iPhone 13 so only. And here you can see there's a misty blue color actually. It's good. And before this, let's just we need to see what are all the things they have given inside this box. One SIM ejector tool plus that charging cable, that's it. There is no charging power adapter is there. Just we need to purchase that separately actually. It's good. Here you can see. And actually this about the type C. And okay guys, let's come on, it's now time to remove this screen cover from this iPhone 17. This iPhone 17 misty blue color, it looks very good, and looks very attractive too. Let's come on guys, it's now time to take this out. Yeah, here you can see how glossy shining screen it is. Actually there's a OLED display guys, so only. And here's the power and volume button is there, and here's the buttons is there in this side also. and there's a box type shape, guys, actually, the Apple logo. Let's come on, it's now time to power on this iPhone 17. Okay, yeah, it's turning on. Just we need to wait, guys. And it has a 1 year standard warranty is also there, guys. You can purchase Apple Care too. It's cost around 20,000, it seems. I'm not sure exactly. It's around 20,000 seems. And you can see finally we have turned on, and you can see just we need to select a language, actually. Let's go on, just we need to select. Yeah, come on, where is the English? Yeah, just we need to select a country plus language. Okay, and okay, let's we are doing this initial setup, and actually you can see just I am selecting this default itself. You can choose any appearance, that's your wish. And okay, guys, let's I need to transfer the data from my old iPhone to this iPhone, guys. And okay guys, finally we have transferred this data, and that's it. Okay guys, now this initial setup has got completed, that's good. And okay guys, finally this final price of this iPhone which we have paid is 64,000 by doing the exchange of iPhone 13, plus we have purchased some kind of accessories too. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye.